How to set up Apple Pay on iPhone. Let's get started. First of all, you'll need to get this app. This is the default app on your device. If this app is not available, you can navigate to App Store, search for the app wallet and then install it. Once you do that, launch it. You'll be directed to this page. Now click on the plus option. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option debit or credit card. Now click on continue. Now you can enter card details manually or you can scan it. If you want to scan it, hold near the card. Hold iPhone near the chip on the card to add it to wallet, or else click on the option enter card details manually. Now provide the card details, type in your name, type in the card number, then click on next. Then you will need to provide the CVV, likewise expiration date, and go through the process. Once you provide all the details of the card, it will be added to your wallet. So this way you can easily set up Apple Pay on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.